Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD, the future of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. Key developments and economic implications. The financial world is constantly evolving, and recent updates regarding the Iraqi Dinar IQD and Vietnamese Dong VND have sparked interest among investors and economists alike. As Iraq and Vietnam navigate economic transformations, new policies and developments could shape the future of their currencies. From Iraq's potential transition to a digital currency to Vietnam's economic growth, these factors are expected to influence exchange rates, trade policies, and investment opportunities. This article explores the latest updates regarding these currencies, the economic conditions driving their valuation, and what investors should watch for in the coming months. Iraq's move toward a digital currency. A major shift in Iraq's monetary system may be on the horizon as the country explores the introduction of a digital currency. According to recent reports, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is working on creating a digital version of the Iraqi dinar, which could eventually replace the current physical currency. This development, if implemented, could have significant implications for Iraq's financial system. A digital currency would enhance financial transparency, reduce corruption, and improve efficiency in transactions. Moreover, it could lead to a recall of paper dinars currently in circulation, impacting both domestic and foreign holders of the currency. Why this matters for investors. For investors holding the Iraqi dinar, the transition to a digital currency raises several important questions. 1. Exchange process. If Iraq moves forward with digital currency adoption, how will existing dinars be exchanged for the new digital version? Second, revaluation, RV. Potential. A digital currency transition could lead to a reassessment of the dinar's value, potentially altering its exchange rate. Third, government strategy. The Iraqi government's approach to implementing this shift will determine its success. Stability in economic policies and international cooperation will be crucial. While no official timeline has been announced for this transition, the increasing use of digital financial systems globally suggests Iraq may be moving in this direction sooner rather than later. Iraq's oil exports and economic growth. Iraq's economy is heavily dependent on oil, and recent updates suggest that the country is set to resume oil exports from the Kurdistan region. After conducting inspections and repairs on pipelines, Iraq is expected to begin exporting oil sooner than anticipated. The initial output is projected to be 185,000 barrels per day, with plans to gradually increase production. Economic implications of oil exports. 1. Revenue growth. Increased oil exports will boost Iraq's revenue, strengthening its financial position. 2. Currency stability. A steady inflow of oil revenue can help stabilize the dinar's value. 3. Investment opportunities. With higher revenue, Iraq may have more resources to invest in infrastructure, business, and social development. The resumption of oil exports comes at a crucial time as Iraq works to strengthen its economy. If managed effectively, this could lead to greater confidence in the dinar, encouraging both local and foreign investment. Vietnam's economic growth and the future of the Dong. While much attention has been focused on Iraq, Vietnam's economy has also been undergoing significant changes. The Vietnamese Dong, VND, remains a stable currency, and the country's economic growth continues to impress analysts. Vietnam's economy has been expanding steadily due to strong exports, foreign investments, and a growing manufacturing sector. Unlike Iraq, Vietnam has successfully diversified its economy, reducing its reliance on a single industry. Key factors affecting the Vietnamese Dong. 1. Manufacturing and exports. Vietnam is a major exporter of electronics, textiles, and machinery. Its trade relationships with the US, China, and Europe contribute to economic stability. 2. Foreign investment. Companies from around the world are investing in Vietnam due to its competitive labor costs and growing consumer market. 3. Currency management. The State Bank of Vietnam actively manages the Dong's exchange rate to ensure stability. While some investors speculate about a potential revaluation of the Dong, Most experts believe that Vietnam's government will continue to manage the currency carefully to maintain economic growth. The role of exchange rates and global trade exchange rates play a crucial role in a country's economic stability. For both Iraq and Vietnam, fluctuations in currency values impact trade, investments, and inflation. Understanding currency valuation. A currency's value is influenced by several factors, including supply and demand. When demand for a currency increases, its value rises. If supply exceeds demand, the value decreases. Economic growth. A strong economy attracts investors, increasing demand for the currency. Political stability. Countries with stable governments tend to have stronger currencies. In Iraq's case, uncertainty over financial policies and political stability has led to fluctuations in the dinar's value. Vietnam, on the other hand, has maintained a more stable economic environment, keeping its currency relatively steady. Challenges and opportunities for investors. Challenges 1. Uncertainty in Iraq. Political instability and shifting financial policies make it difficult to predict the dinar's future value. 2. Vietnam's controlled currency. The dong's value is tightly regulated by the government, limiting speculation. 3. Global economic trends. Inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical events can impact currency values. Opportunities first. Potential currency reforms. If Iraq successfully transitions to a digital currency, it could create new investment opportunities. 2. Vietnam's growth potential. Investors looking for stable, long-term growth may find Vietnam's economy attractive. 3. Diversification strategies. Holding a mix of different currencies can help investors manage risks. What lies ahead? The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and both Iraq and Vietnam are at pivotal moments in their economic journeys. For Iraq, if the digital dinar becomes a reality, it could redefine Iraq's financial system. Strengthening oil exports will help stabilize the economy. Political and economic reforms will be crucial in determining the dinar's future value. For Vietnam, continued economic growth will support the dong's stability. Expansion in manufacturing and exports will drive foreign investments. Government policies will likely maintain a controlled exchange rate to prevent volatility. For investors, staying informed and understanding the broader economic context is key. While no one can predict currency movements with certainty, monitoring these developments will provide valuable insights for making informed financial decisions. As global markets shift and economies evolve, keeping an eye on the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong will be essential for those looking to navigate the complex world of currency investments. Whether Iraq successfully transitions to a digital currency or Vietnam continues its steady growth, these two economies will remain important players in the financial landscape. Conclusion. The future of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong is shaped by a range of economic, political, and financial factors. While Iraq explores digital currency options and strengthens its oil exports, Vietnam continues to expand its economy through manufacturing and trade. For investors, the key takeaway is to remain informed and prepared. Whether you are looking at Iraq's evolving monetary policies or Vietnam's economic stability, staying updated on these currencies will provide a clearer picture of what lies ahead. As always, understanding global market trends, economic growth indicators, and government policies will be crucial in navigating the ever-changing world of international finance. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep an eye on these fascinating developments.